Okay. Next word. Tem. Tem. Anong beginning sound ng salitang tem? Then, i-whisper lang tunog ng vowel E. Eyes on the board. Para basahin? Te. Meron pang ending sound. Tem. Para basahin? Tem. O, ganun lang ha. Ganun lang ang pagbabasa ng mga salita. That's the way how you're going to read words. If you don't know yet how to read, you have to sound each letter from beginning, middle, and end. Okay? Next. Sabi ko, kapag vowel sound, para ka lang nag-whisper. Okay, ready? Very good. Maxing diretso na. Pero, pagsamahin muna natin dalawang tunog ha. Parang iba makahabol rin kung paano basahin. Meron pang ending sound. Hindi mata. Basahin. Put them together. Mat.